What's up, everybody? So yesterday we ended up picking up some new wheels for the Civic just because I'm getting tired of having these steelies on here. I know we went through all that work, we painted them, made them look good, but now we have the lip kit and everything done on it. I think it needed some new wheels. So I did some searching. I went on Craigslist, I went on Facebook just to find some wheels locally that were affordable and that came with tires, because I didn't really want to spend money to put new tires on them. And luckily enough, we ended up finding these ones, which are 16x7s. So they'll fill out the wheel wells a lot more than these 14s are. So I'll go and give you guys another look at it if you guys didn't see it in yesterday's video. But here are the wheels. I think they're gonna look really good. I'm not really sure how I feel about the black and red, but we can always change that. And as far as the brand goes on them, I'm not really sure what they are. You guys can see right there, it says like XXIO or XX10 Racing. So if you guys know what brand these are, I guess let me know in the comments below. I'm sure it's just some cheap knockoff brand, but they'll work for the Civic. I think they'll look really good. They are definitely more open, so now we'll be able to actually see the brakes, the rotors, all that stuff that we did all that work to. So yesterday we ended up getting these wheels. We got home a little bit too late, so all the auto parts stores were closed. So I was unable to pick up any lug nuts. So we're gonna go do that today and throw these wheels on the car just to get a good look at them and see whether or not we like this color and whether or not we end up dipping them. Alright, so we just got back from AutoZone. I ended up getting the lug nuts, as you guys can see here. They are M12 by 1.5, so these should work. So next step is, let's go ahead and get this thing jacked up, take the wheels off, and throw these new ones on. There you guys have it. We got the wheels on. They look sick. I love the way this looks right now. Looks so good. I got the wheels all cleaned up, put some tire shine and whatnot on there. You can finally see through, see the rotors and calipers all done. You can see the gold through there. I don't know, I actually kind of like the black and red. It's not bad. I'm going to show you guys the back here. Yeah, this thing looks sick. It looks so much better than those ugly steelies. And then as far as like our fitment and stuff goes, for these being 16x7s, I mean, it just barely wants to poke, but it looks super good. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. Let's take this thing outside and get some outside shots now. See how this thing looks out in the sun. So now you guys get to see the Civic outside. I'm super happy with the way it turned out. Let me know what you guys think of the wheels, whether you guys like them or hate them or whatever. I mean, I'm gonna keep them on the car. I think they look really good. They fit the wheel wells nicely, especially being 16s, because those little 14-inch Steelers were just too small. I had also been looking into some 15-inch wheels, but I think 15s would have been too small as well, especially for like the EM2 chassis. So I think 16s fit it nicely. I really like now that you can actually see the calipers and the rotors behind the wheels. I know earlier I was debating on whether or not I liked the black and red, and I was thinking about dipping it, which I still am. I do like the black and red a lot. I think it fits the car very nicely, but I think if we did white, it'd pop even more and stand out. If you guys have any other color suggestions, I guess, throw it down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. If we do plasti dip it, it's changeable. We can always remove it, go back to the black and red, or do a different color. So let me know as far as suggestions go. The other thing I was thinking about doing was tire letters. I think tire letters will look really good on this car. So possibly see a video on that in the future. But after getting this car completely done, I will say it needs to be lower. It sets up way too high. I mean, the wheels help fill it out a lot more than what it was before with the Steelies. And yeah, it just needs to be lower because it sets up way too high. So we'll be doing something here in the future as far as changing that out, making this thing set lower, get it set properly. And yeah, so just stay tuned for that. But otherwise, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Like I said, we got plenty of more stuff coming. I just mentioned that I went to coilovers and tire letters and whatnot and plasti dipping, and who knows, maybe we'll change up this whole entire build and do something crazy. I mean, it is just an automatic daily driver for now. Maybe we'll get into something a little bit more exciting. So stay tuned for that. But otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.